Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP SCM interview question and answers. How does lead time scheduling differ from basis scheduling? Answer: basis scheduling. It calculates only the basis dates of order in MRP runs at the time spent on production for the material master began used. Scheduling with a lead time. Production dates are determined by lead time. Scheduling for planned orders in this MRP. What does master data on bill of material contain? Answer: bills of material master data are related to material requirement planning and provide the list of components for a product. What is a super boom? Answer: to create a product that has different variants, you can create a super bill of material that contains at least of components to make the different variants of a product, and that depends on the details included in the planning order. Bills of material can be created up to 99 times. When transferring data between SAP, ERP and SCM, what steps do you take? Answer: you need to define an integration model to move master and transaction data from ERP systems to SCM systems. An integration model is automatically updated each time you create it. Can more than one version of the integration model be activated at once? Answer: there is no limit to the number of variations of an integration model, but only one version is activated at any given time. What does good issue process mean? How do goods issues move? Answer: good issues occurs when raw materials are consumed to produce material as per production orders in the production planning system. The inventory of components at the storage location decrease when goods are issued. Goods are issued using movement types 261. When dealing with a cancelled order in SCM, how do you handle the cancellation issue? Answer: when you cancel the goods issue of an order, you use the goods issues reserval option. It is possible to cancel an order issue until the CNF status has been confirmed in the system. Goods issue reserval movement type 262. To use T code MB1A to receive goods issue or go to logistics, production, production control, goods movement, goods issue. How do you create planned orders? How do you convert planned orders to production orders? Answer: you can interact the procurement of material with a certain quantity during the planning run for a plant in the SAP system. When a storage of materials is detected, planned orders are created and you can convert them to production orders by using the T code CO40 oblique CO41. How can a plan order be created manual? Answer: you can create a plan order manual using T code MD11. What is the best way to evaluate MRP run in the SCM system? This is used to view current stock and upcoming receipts. Use T code MD04. What is production order? Answer. A production order specifies the material to be produced, the plant location where it must take place, the date and time of production, and the quantity of goods to be manufactured. Production orders also specify which components and sequence of operational are used to be used and how order costs are to be selected. How do you get the details of the components list and operational data of a production order? When you create it, materials boom and retaining information is copied into the production order. When determines the list of components and operational data in the order. How does a planned order become a production order? Answer. Creating a production order from a planned order is the first step. In SAP PP, step is defined when you create a production order. To begin the production process, it is necessary to issue a production order. Production cannot begin until a production order has been released. To execute the production order, it is necessary to issue goods. Once goods are issued, documents numbers can be updated in the system. In accordance with the production order, all sub-processes are executed according to their requirements. When creating an integration model, what happens if you does not select a restriction? Answer. If you select execute without selecting a restriction, you are promoted that it will take a long time to complete. Is it true that when an integration model is deactivated, it deletes all objects that were transferred to the SCM system? Deactivating an integration model does not mean that all objects transferred will be deleted from the SCM. What are the most common types of supply chain master data? Answer. Boom, center for work, master material, routes. In the supply chain management process, how are master data routes utilized? Routing determines the sequence of activities performed at a work center. Routing plays a critical role in calculating production cost, machine time and labor time. In SAP supply chain, what are the different resource type? Answer. As per the planning parameters, resource types define how the system plans resource. Every resource type has its own planning parameters. Following resource types are created automatically when you transfer work centers from an ERP system. Multi-activity and single activity resource. Resource that are single mixed and multi-mixed. Resource line. Resources for single activities and multi-activities. In it is possible to do one activity at a time with this resource. With the multi-activity resource, several activities can be performed simultaneously. Resources that are single mixed and multi-mixed. In with SAP SCM, both production planning, SAP PP and detailed scheduling are performed by mixed resource. Single mixed resource are defined as a single activity resource in production planning PP and detailed scheduling DS and multi-mixed resource allow multi-activity resource. Resource line. It works time and line rates are defined for each DI line and resource is created in APO. Resource for vehicles, resource for buckets, transport resource. Thank you for watching this video.